In 2022, Uganda faced a deadly threat, the Ebola outbreak. But behind the success stories lies the untold struggles of the Ebola survivors.
My name is Ogal Joshua. I'm a nurse by profession, and I work with pediatrics department with Mobile Regional Referral Hospital.
These survivors faced a terror of the Ebola disease and managed to overcome it.
I contracted the Ebola virus from the pediatric department, where I happened to manage a 2-year-old who had all the symptoms of Ebola. Fortunately enough, the child and the mother who tested positive survived. Well, my experience as a frontliner at the same time a survivor, I happen to be one of the few frontliners who started the unit with the first case, and work was going on normal. Fortunately enough, I felt unwell. And you know, I believed in me that I had to do a test for Ebola. So when I came out, the sample was taken and I was isolated. 2 days later, I started presenting severe symptoms of vomiting and diarrhea. But the worst experience I had when I was coming in via this gate you're seeing, there was a coffin. That traumatized me a lot because having seen the coffin and I was inside there, I saw life going. I had the severe symptoms. It was a breakthrough. Saved me a lot. I started seeing supernatural things happening. No more diarrhea, no more vomiting. Appetite came back. I started having the smiles, hope. Even Dr. Pascal was the physician here, wouldn't believe. She would ask Joshua, you mean you have no symptoms? I told her, no symptoms. And everyone was happy. The wall pillars, they were so concerned about me. My advice to the healthcare workers on how can we prevent any contagious disease? How can we prevent ourselves from getting any contagious disease? First and foremost, I will emphasize the use of PPEs, personal protective equipments. Talk about the gloves, the mask, the gumboots, the coveralls, and the rest. At all times, let us ensure that we are putting on gloves at any point, because you don't know the patient you are handling, how the patient, or you don't know the patient you are handling, the patient conditions. So let us use our PPEs well.
The National Ebola Survivors Program, with support from USAID, continues to take care of all the 87 survivors as long as they still need the support.